Hello, it's Andrew Bartlett, and again, I'm just basically reviewing, going over some of Python. I've done some videos in the past, and I'll add this to a playlist so you can see the prior video. Anyways, I'm just going through Python, doing simple input review, and you just kind of adage, if you don't use it, you lose it. So I'm pretty much reviewing, going through stuff I've learned in Python. So, and again, you can contact me directly at 910-273-5256, and my email, Andrew at databasecontrols.com, and my website, databasecontrols.com. All right, well, let's commence with the video. Okay, so first off, we're going to start by opening Python. And again, I'm using the 3.5.3 version. And if you have any different version, this might not work correct. So, all right, and I'm basically going back to the basics for a few times. I'm going to show some more advanced later on, but this is just basic for right now. So I'm going to save this. Let's see, on the desktop. And call it input, is basically what it is. All right. And okay, so let's find this dude. There we go. Edit with idle. All right. I don't know why it does this. It's so weird. I did this before, so okay. All right, so we're gonna start off. See your name. Now I'm gonna put the description of it next to it in case you're doing basic. So. Your name is basically your variable. Okay, so got that, you got the name, and let's do print. So what I did right here is I took whatever the user put in here, and I spit it back out after this quote right here. In print, basically, like it says, prints whatever you write here, so, or in there. But pretty much whatever's in the parentheses. So, okay. And last question, and assuming you'll probably figure out the gag right here at the end of it, this one here. only keep in mind when you do a quote, when you're putting information right here, you have to either use, well, if you use a single quote, works like this. If you do any other, watch this, see, if you do another one, it'll override it. I mean, it'll break the link. So it's kind of good practice to do a double quote. But if you can get away with it, just you can use the same quote. It doesn't matter. Like if I were to do one here, it'll break it. So, all right. So let's see this out. So I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to run it. So you can either run here, or you just press F5. You can press F5. Okay. What is your name? It's Monty Python. What is your color? You chose blue. Oh no, my fault. Wait. Yeah. It's alright. Okay, there you go. So, see, this is where I printed that. You chose the color blue, so you chose color, and I put in what the user put in me. So I could put in green, whatever, and put out there. And what is the wing velocity of a swallow? I'll put whatever, 22, 23. And the famous response was that an African swallow. Yeah, there you go. Oh, well, glad you enjoyed this. It was just short. I'm going to try to make some more videos because I'm going to review all the coding I've learned throughout the past. So, all right, hope you enjoy this, and subscribe and let me know what you think. Hello YouTube viewers, hi, thank you so very much for watching the video. Again, click and subscribe if you like the video. Let me know anything in the comments below, what kind of information you'd like for me to do. Again, now I will put a little, playlist, put this to a playlist, this one video. Try to put up several more for Python. And again, thank you for watching, and I may put a link below. It won't be registered as a hyperlink until I get 10,000 views, but I will put a link in the description below for my PayPal. If you feel the need necessary if you learn anything, to drop a small donation. Again, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Oh, and also happy New Year's. Bye.